Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to turn off the Truecaller last seen. Okay, if you want to turn off the status, really easy and simple. Once you open up the app, go to settings. So this is what you do here at the top right. Click on these three dots, okay? And then you can click on settings right here. Now, all you need to do is come and click on privacy center and you'll see this availability option. Okay, so if you toggle this option off, this will prevent your last active time from being displayed to the other Truecaller users. So this one currently is toggled on. You just need to toggle this off. Now, one important thing to note is that once you turn this off, you will also not be able to see someone else's availability, okay, unless you turn this feature on. So you can also not see the other people's last seen, okay? But otherwise, it's really that easy and simple.